So this video is about charging your Vespa. So this topic is talked about a little bit on YouTube, but I want to show you guys how I've got it done. And I have had this Vespa for a few years now, and I thought I'd put in a permanent wire so that I could charge up this Vespa wherever it's parked here. I've got this for a few years and only have about 1,000 kilometers on it. So it's usually parked here, and now I have this set up so that my trickle charger is just sitting on this chair. Whenever the car is parked, the Vespa is parked here, I could just plug it in and let it charge. So to my surprise, when I removed this battery, I wish I took a photo of it, underneath the battery tray, it's got a bit of rust on it. So how I've thought I get it treated is I clean it out really well with some detergents and so on, and I apply a light coat of Vaseline over the base of the battery tray, and hopefully that will slow down the corrosion process. And I've heard other Vespa owners talked about this, where the bottom of the Vespa have rust mark, even though they hardly ride it in the rain. You can see here, right, the seam of the wheel has already rusted, and I've only got about 1,000 kilometers on this thing. And this is also, so I basically treat some of those areas. And I want to show you where I tuck the end of my wires. So whenever I'm not charging, you can see, all right, this thing here. So whenever I'm not charging, I'm just gonna tuck it just up here. All right, and it stays up pretty well. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna unplug it. It's pretty tight, but you get my point, you know what I mean? You just gotta tuck it up there so that it's not hanging all over the place. And also, I could also kind of fit it back into the frame so that it could be, there's a bit of an empty space behind. So this is how I've done it. And if you want to see the setup again, the fuse is neatly tucked away right here, very secure. And the way I run my wires, right, down to the bottom, around the battery case, similarly with the positive side as well, I've run it a little bit around. And that's it, folks. That's how I've run my battery charger.